Alright, hey, this is my bike check. I've never done one, but my bike is about 18 pounds or 19 pounds, so I figured I'd make one since I'm a weight weenie. Um, I got King Human bars. They're 8.75 rise, pretty big. I like them. I got the ODI Super Soft grips, flangeless. Got the Sunday Freeze Stem and polished. The S&M fork bolt. Uh, Colt headset. I got carbon fiber spacers. Got a 7 millimeter, a 5 millimeter, and then a tiny one up above them. I like it really high. Um, Fit Shiv forks, custom sticker, stupid stuff. My wheel, I got Odyssey Aiken 2.25 tire, K-Light. Got a Eastern Venus hub laced to an Alienation Deviant rim with Sapum double butted black spokes and 12 gauge alloy nipples in black. Got uh, Fit Eddie V3 frame in raw, kind of rusted top tube, but I don't really care. Colt seat post combo seat. Premium 1948 cranks, blind drive. They came with the sprocket. It's a freaking great deal. Um, got the titanium FSA uh, spindle, which makes it like 22 ounces, which is ridiculous. I got Duo Resolite PC pedals. They're like the greatest pedals you'll ever ride. Um, got stolen flesh mount spindle bolts. Got a Shadow half link chain. I also have the Colt chain, but the Colt chain sucks. It was horrible. Didn't work at all. Really fucked up. But got my back wheel. I got a Odyssey Path, K-Light in 2.1. Got matte platinum Eastern Venus cassette 9 tooth with hub guard front and back. Um, got the alloy uh, axle in there, makes it super light. Um, Alienation Deviant in the rear. I know you're not supposed to run it in the rear, but it's held up fine so far. I got Sapum double butted spokes and 12 gauge alloy nipples. Um, got a Shadow Conspiracy Little Ones peg. And in the front, I got a Primo dump chuck in black. And it's my bike. It's pretty sweet. For brakes, I got Nike Stefan Janowski's mids in black gum. Alright. Like it if you guys like light bikes. Later.